Good morning. Thank you for stopping by Hallie's Creations. I'm Hallie. Hallie! Today we are going to paint on a champagne glass. I'm going to put some little white daisies on there. That's kind of what I'm feeling for this one. And we'll just see what happens. We are going to use a number 1/8 inch slanted and a 1/4 inch slanted. We're going to be using just white acrylic paint. Doesn't have to be this particular brand. Some green just to give it the leaves. Gold metallic top. Mainly the reason I'm doing the gold is because I don't have yellow and I need to get some. So anyway, these are the colors we're going to use, and we're just going to get right to it. I know your time is valuable, as is mine, so tick-tock, tick-tock, let's jump on the clock. Remember to always clean your glass with alcohol first. So we're going to clean this with a little alcohol. You want your glass clean anyway prior to baking it, so always clean your glass before you start your project. You'll notice I'm putting only half of the flowers on because I'm going to spin this where I can get to it on the other side a little bit better. You see, this is tip and drag. One of the keys too is having a good brush. another artist here on YouTube that does a really good job painting on glass. I'm just playing for me. I'm just messing around. My forte is more palette painting and making crafts and stuff, but I love painting on glass as well. But check out Amy. She is actually in my description links down there. She has some really neat shares that I think you could glean some pretty good tips from. Well, it's kind of cute. Just a little daisy, little white flowers. This is a little stylus I picked up at the Dollar Tree. It's got the little tips on it. Make your little dots with. Touch it up a little bit more here. So there you go. Just a little champagne glass painted with little white daisies on it. Bam! What you'll do is bake this off 325. Don't go hotter because you're going to burn the paint. So you put it in the oven. You let it heat up in the oven 35 minutes at 325. And you let it cool down in the oven. So what I do is I time bake it. I just stick it in there, turn on the time bake, let it preheat up in the oven, and then leave it in there overnight to cool down. Take it out 24 hours, let it sit, cure. So you can hand wash these and enjoy them. I wouldn't throw them through the dishwasher. There you go. Bam! And this is just one of many things that I teach and share. Done. 325, 35 minutes. Put it in a cold oven. Let it warm up. Put it on time bake. Let it turn off in 35 minutes. Leave it in there overnight. Take it out the next day. Let it sit for 24 hours. Cure. And you're good to go. Yeah, it's that easy. So enjoy. If you do it any hotter or any longer, you're probably going to burn your paint. And these yellow petals, these white petals will turn yellow. So don't do that. Just 325 is enough. Take it in. If it feels a little gummy after you take it out, then put it back in and bake it off again. But it should be fine. Have a good day and a better tomorrow. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Peace out and bye.